Hello everyone, my name is Mama Hearts Makeup and welcome to my channel. I will be showing you another quick little tutorial I did on Snapchat that I decided to download for you guys today. And I'm starting out per usual with using concealer as an eyeshadow base and then making sure to set that with powder for a smoother shadow application. I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette for this look. You don't have to use what I'm using, of course, you never do. You can just take inspiration from the look that I'm creating and use any similar products that you have. So as you can see, I did a soft transition shade and now I'm deepening up that transition shade area with a deeper color. And now I'm going to really carve out the crease with this brown shade. I'm combining a couple shadows to create the color that I want, but you can use one shadow, you don't have to use two. I am deepening up the transition shade area again with those same colors, just kind of blending those so they just seamlessly go together. Now using a white eye pencil for the brow bone highlight, I wanted it to stand out a bit more than the usual shadow highlight that I use. Now going in with a brown shadow stick, but you can use a brown eyeliner if you have. And I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line with that orangey color that I used earlier. And now going onto the lid, I'm going to create a bit of like a halo effect with this gold on the center of the lid there. It's a two-step process. It has liquid first and then you go over it with pigment. So that's what you saw me do with my finger. And now I'm going onto the inner and outer V of the lid and just kind of blending that in with those orangey colors. I have this gold liquid liner that I thought I'd use to just really highlight the center of the lid there, and then I decided to highlight the inner corner and a bit of the lower lash line as well with this gold. You know, it's all about experimentation. You know, I kind of like the way it turned out, so I just went with it. Now going ahead and putting on that wing liner. There we go. Mascara time. Mascara, I just use mostly to prep my lashes for falsies, but I like the waterproof mascara to really set in any shadow that might transfer. I'm elongating that lower lash line, as you can see, with that brown color. I kind of like the way it turned out. It's a little dramatic, I know, but you know, I was having fun, so I went with it. Now I'm highlighting that inner what's it called? My inner corner with the white pencil again, and then a little bit of shadow. Putting on some lashes, whatever is your favorite lashes. Go ahead and use those. Placing that down on the lid ever so carefully. Not the lid, the lash line. Oh my gosh. Now it's time to go on to the face. I didn't show it, but I did put the beauty oil on my under eye area before I added the concealer. That's what I usually do. And going ahead and blending in that concealer to hide my dark circles. Adding my foundation to even out my skin tone. Contour is probably my favorite part of my makeup routine, honestly, is the contour. I just think it makes such a huge difference on my face. You know, it might be all in my head, but it's my favorite part. And I'm just blending it in. I really love this foundation stick for cream contour. It blends in so beautifully and I don't have to set it. Go ahead and snatch in that nose. There we go, blending it out, making it look cute. There we go. Now I'm going to do a little bit of the underbake underneath that cheek contour that I did, just to really define it and blending it up there. As you can see, I believe it's Luminoso blush that I'm using for this, but again, you can use whatever your favorite blush is. I just thought it looked good with the eyes. using my Amrezy highlight on the high points of the cheeks. I am obsessed with this highlight. That is no secret if you are, if you've seen my videos before. Highlighting the tip of the nose. It always goes a little bit crazy, so I blend it in with my finger just a little bit so it's not quite so like, you know, highlighting. I don't know. Lining my lips with this liner by MAC, I believe it's Spice, and going over that with a lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I forget the name of it, I'll look that up later. And going over that with Gilded. I do remember the name of this one. It's one of my favorite glosses by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use it as a lip topper mostly. Actually, that's all I use it for, is a lip topper, and I just think it looks so pretty. And there we go. That is the finished look, all done. I really like the way it turned out. I hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for visiting me today. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.